guys, welcome to the channel. I'm really excited for today's video as this is going to be the episode 10 of the RnB and Neo Soul acoustic guitar series. It's been a great journey so far and I hope you enjoyed these video lessons as well. Now before we get into the lesson guys, I'm gonna ask you if you enjoyed this content to like this video and subscribe to the channel as this is gonna really help a lot. And if you ring the bell, you're gonna get a little notification about half an hour before I go live and when a new video is up. That being said, so that you don't miss any content like this, let's get started. So we are gonna take the three minor 7 chords that you find in any minor key, and today we're gonna play in the key of D minor. So the 3 chords are D minor 7, G minor 7 and A minor 7. These are all of the chords you need. This is a 1, 4, 5 or minor. Now very often the way you hear these 3 chords combined together is starting from the 4th minor, going to the 5th minor and then to the 1 minor. So today I want to change the order of these chords and combine them with a melody. So we'll be starting from the G minor 7, okay, so from the 4th minor. We'll be going to the 1 minor, to the D minor 7, okay. From here we go to A minor 7, 5 minor, and then chromatically down again to G minor 7, so back to the 4th minor. And the melody that I play to start this chord progression is going to be a simple 3-note melody. And the 3 notes that you need, guys, are A, C, D, okay? So the way I do it is the first time 1 octave lower, like that, and the second time 1 octave higher. Okay, but they are the same notes, A, C, D, okay? After that I play a G minor 7 and the first embellishment, so that we can talk about, you know, RnB and Neo Soul embellishments in these chords, is going to be using my little finger, you know, on the 5th fret of the G string, so that I get the sus4 and this becomes a G7 sus4 at the end of the day. Okay, getting this kind of thing, hammer on between the minor 3rd, you know, and the perfect 4th. We talked about embellishments, hammer-ons and pull-offs quite a lot in this series, and if you guys want to check out the episode 4, which I will link in a card up here and also in the description below, you'll find a lot of exercises to strengthen your fingers and get better at hammer-ons and pull-offs in RnB. So after doing this, okay, for 2 beats, I play this chord for 2 beats, I slide into the 1. So I slide usually from half step below, you know, like that, but it works even if you start 1 whole step below, and I get this minor 7 position. And again, I'm gonna use my pinky to create embellishments. This time I'm gonna do, you know, this kind of hammer on the 2nd string, okay? And after that I continue just with an arpeggio of the G and the D string. Today I'm playing with my pick, but you know, feel free to try maybe with your fingers or with your thumb only, if you feel more comfortable playing finger picking. So far it becomes... From here, I play an A minor 11 to play the 5th minor, and I go chromatically down to G minor 11. So, okay, so if you guys have checked out other episodes of this series, you know that the minor 11 is one of the most common RnB and Neo Soul chords, and it's definitely one of my favorites. Once you are here on the G minor 11, so you are back here in the 2nd bar after playing this kind of thing, you move this ring finger up to the 7th fret so that you can play your starting melody again, but this time 1 octave higher, and you play this and then start again from G minor 7. This time, instead of using my little finger on the G string, I'm gonna use it on the 1st string so that I can play this, which is a very typical hammer-on the 9th of the chord, so that I effectively play a G minor 9. I stop the sound there with a staccato, and I then slide back into my D minor 7, but this time the hammer-on embellishment will be on the 1st string. So it's gonna be this kind of thing, with the 8th fret of the 1st string, which is gonna be my minor 7. And again, I continue with 1 or 2 strings that I play with an arpeggio with upstrokes this time. And I go to A minor 7, classic position, again chromatically down to G minor 7, same chord position, okay? Then what I do, I play again my melody. Maybe I can start 1 octave lower once more, okay? Start again with my G minor 7, the sus, slide into this chord, first embellishment, minor 11 or A minor 7, up to you, down chromatically to G minor 11, and then whenever I want to finish, I can go over and over, but whenever I want to finish, I play an A7, sharp 5 to create the tension and resolve on D minor 9. To add a little bit more of a color, a little bit more of an extension. That's all for today, guys. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this lesson, and make sure to like this video and subscribe. Thanks a lot for your support, guys. It really means a lot, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. I always do my best to reply to each and every comment. So yeah, get in touch, and I'll see you in the next video.